Hi everyone, welcome back to the React Native project video tutorial. And in the last video, I told you that I will make a video on how we can just get the list of the restaurant from the APIs. But then I thought that I will tell you that how we can make the APIs without the server-side language or knowledge of the database. All right. So we will do it with the help of the JSON server. If you follow me from the video one, then I already told you that how we can install the JSON server. And in this video, we will just brush up the things like how we can install and why we have to need it. And after that, we will test the all kind of APIs with the postman, so that for the future videos we can show that how we can use the post API, put API, delete API, and the get API as well. All right. So as I told you, JSON server is a tool for making the fake API, and these API are help us to provide the data kind of the real APIs, so that we can just focus on the front end and we don't need to learn the back end because we are a front end developer, and this is the only need because we can save the lots of time and we only focus on the front end. So now let's look out this JSON server from the official website. So let's go here, JSON server, search in the Google, and you can just go on the first and the second link. The both are the same. All right. So when you just go here, then you will find here this is the command to install it, but I already installed it. If you don't have installed, then you can just run it, this simple command. Then we can make a db.json file. So this is my React Native project here, and I can just make a new folder with the name of db. You can make any name of your folder. This is not required that you have to make only the name of the db. And let's make a file db.json. All right. And I can just write some data, like this is the dummy data for the APIs, but I already have some data for you can say that the restaurants, so I will prefer to use this one. Right, and open this file inside our editor here. Right, so let's open this file, React Native db here only. Right, and we can close it from the here. This is not required to us. All right, so now how is it API ready? How we can access it? Yes, this API is ready now, and we can access it with the only one command. So you have to run this command. Just come in the terminal and just write here JSON server -- watch and file name. So here our file name is db.json, and here you will find that okay, this is telling that these three APIs are ready, but we put these data. All right, so now let's go here and run this command, open this command. Okay, so why this is providing these APIs? So let me check. Yep, this is actually getting the data from any cache. So I will just I want to just change the folder name so that we can just get it from anywhere else. So let's get this file from here to let's say we can make a folder with the name of API. All right, and paste it here, and let's delete this folder. Right, so because npm things are most of the time work with cache. So just come back to the dashboard and React Native, then let's go for the API, and here we can just run here JSON server -- watch, and the file name is db.json. Just hit the enter, and yeah, now this is working. Here you can see that we got the restaurant link here, and these are our three results. All right, so how we can add the more results here? These are the operations that they are supporting, like get API, post API, put API, delete API, everything is support. So let's test it with the postman. So as you know, the postman is a very simple tool to test the APIs before you are working with your front end or your mobile application. You must have to test your applications with postman. So let's close the previous applications, so I don't need them. All right, and now what I can do, uh, now let's just select here get and put the URL, and whenever I'm just going to hit here, you can see that we are getting the all list. So this is the example of the get API. How I can make it the post? So let's select the post here, put the URL, go in the body, select the row, and then use a JSON. So I am going to copy the one of the objects so that we can save the time, and let's paste it here. So like I just want to put the ID 4, and can be like Burger King, and BG I can put here, address can be like Delhi or something, and let's hit the enter. Now you can see that we got the fourth entry. All right, so this is not updated. Let's open it, open file from the API. So here you can see that we got the fourth result also. So with a similar way we can get the fifth result also if you want, like 5. So 8 p.m. is a bar restaurant in the Gurgaon. 8 p.m. resto. Alright, so I can just write here 8 p.m. and it can be from the Gurugram, and just hit it. Now we can see that fifth entry is also working fine. So in these are the things that how we can use the all operations. So this is supporting the all APIs. So in the next API I will tell you that how we can just use this API for showing the list. As you know, the API is created here, and in the upcoming videos we will use the all operation, like how we can post, delete, update, and showing the list, everything on the these kind of APIs. Alright, so before starting with the every tutorial, I will tell you how we can test it with the postman and how we can just work it with the APIs. So thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.